This is Ikkai Gel Lit Illuminator in the shade Gold Matte Gloss. This is basically a strobe moisturizer, so that means you can have a moisturizer that can give you hydration along with some extra glow. This tube-like packaging is so cute and beautiful. MRP of this product is 695 rupees and you get 50 ml of the product. This shade suits yellow golden hues, that means it is best suited for warm undertones. For cooler undertones or pink undertones, you can try out their Pearl Matte Gloss. It does contain goodness of vitamins and green tea, also gives you a matte and non-oily finish, plus it is very lightweight. You can see that extra golden shine into it, but there is no glitter particles. So this is a cream-based illuminator or highlighter which can be used as a daily face moisturizer, or you can mix it with your foundation or use it as a primer for that extra glowy effect on your face. I'm going to apply it like a moisturizer, a very good and smart option for those days when you don't want to apply a lot of makeup but want some extra glow with your moisturizer itself. I love this glow. It's kind of glow from within and it does give you that hydration of a moisturizer also. My skin is feeling good and it is looking also very good, so I love this and I would definitely recommend this to everyone out there who want to try a moisturizer which give you extra glow as well.